Welcome to uCounsel. As of August 5th, 2020, you can now file over 400 court documents electronically with Ontario courts. What are some of those documents and how do you file those electronically? We will explain in today's lecture. We begin with our usual disclaimer that this lecture is not legal advice. If you have any specific questions regarding your issues, you should contact a lawyer or a paralegal or the Law Society of Ontario for a referral. We'll explain some of the documents that you can file, in which courts, how do you go about doing that, what are some of the things that you need to watch for, and where do you get more information about such electronic filing. If you're involved in a civil claim or intending to commence a civil court action, you can file your statement of claim or notice of action. You can file your notice of intent to defend. You can file your defending documents, which is statement of defense to counterclaim, third party, fourth party, subsequent party claims, jury notice, filing a discontinuance of an action, and proof of service. So these are examples of some of the forms that you can electronically file in a civil claim. If you're involved in a family law matter, then you can file a joint divorce application. You can file a simple divorce application. You can answer or issue an application for child support, spousal support, division of property, etc. Attend a family conference, respond or make a motion, bring a motion to change a final order or agreement for things like child support. You can register a domestic contract, file a document in child protection case, and then request a fee waiver certificate. If you're dealing with a small claims matter, the only thing you can do presently is issue your claim in small claims. With respect to courts, you can file documents for Superior Court of Justice, Ontario Court of Justice, and Small Claims Court. You cannot file documents for Ontario Court of Appeal or Divisional Court. Let's discuss the process of this electronic filing. It is pretty straightforward. First of all, you have to create an account. It's called a one-key account. You go to this governmental website and create your account. Then you make sure that you prepare all of your documents. Your documents need to be in PDF format. Please make sure that the size of each document is in accordance with the instructions when you're filing those documents, and then the size of all of the documents in one submission is in accordance with that. I believe the size of each document has to be 10 megabytes or less, and size of all documents has to be 25 megabytes or less, but please check the instructions to make sure that your size of document is correct. Also, there is a specific naming convention with respect to the file names. There is a certain length or character that you need to follow, so make sure that your naming convention of the file is not incorrect. Make sure that you have the fees ready. It can be paid through Visa, MasterCard, and in circumstances where fees apply. I understand that for Ontario Court of Justice, you may not need to submit any fees. If you are filing documents with respect to an existing court file, then you should have your court file number handy. Then you log in. If you are issuing a claim in small claims, then you need to sign in to Service Ontario account. Or if you are doing a Superior Court of Justice or family law matter, then you click on Justice Services Online link, and then you go ahead and file your documents. Some of the things that you need to watch for. First of all, please note that all documents that you're filing with respect to family law matters, those are really the requests for filing. So when you click file or submit, the documents are not filed. The documents go to the court, and then the court clerk is going to review those documents, and if there are any issues, they will contact you or confirm whether the documents are filed. And it takes about 5 days for the court clerk to process your documents in family law matters. So if you are dealing with an urgent matter, please make sure that you do not use this portal to seek that urgent issue resolved by the courts. Please make sure that all the deadlines that are applicable to your circumstances, to your case, that must be followed, whether you are using this portal or whether you're filing through in-person filing at the court office. So please make sure that all deadlines are met. And as a general principle, please do not file anything, any occurrence that need to take place in 5 days, because it may take 5 days for the court to process these filing. If you require more information, please visit these government websites. The first one is with respect to civil claims, the second one for family court, and then third one is for small claims matter. Thank you for watching.